The M&M Cage Company HappyBird light provides a bird-friendly full-spectrum LED glow that looks like natural daylight without exposing your flock to harsh ultraviolet radiation. Its design supports a more natural daily light cycle for cage birds when paired with a timer, which can help stabilize hormones and encourage healthier behavior. The integrated chew guard and durable housing make this light a safer option for parrots and other strong-beaked birds that like to investigate everything in their cage. Because the fixture uses long-lasting LEDs and does not rely on fragile bulbs, it offers dependable illumination for years with minimal maintenance. The included mounting brackets, power supply, and stainless steel ties make installation straightforward, whether you place the light on top of the cage or secure it inside. Water-resistant construction and an easy-to-wipe surface allow you to clean around the light confidently without worrying about splashes or humidity in the bird room.